Well, damn. It's been a minute since y'all seen her, huh? Yep. Still, really nothing going on. Same old, same old. Except for the fact that my keys don't work. That's new. Jesus Christ. All I want to do is a remote start. Yeah, it's not a cold start because, it ain't cold. I done already drove some places. Anyway. Okay, anyway, fuck. Anyway, welcome back. So I haven't filmed in a few months, you know, today, but I want to say thank you guys for, I'm almost at 200 subscribers. I haven't made a video since I was under like 100, I think. And I've gotten like 20,000 views across my channel, which is like, really, you know, I'm very small, but like that means a lot. So thank you guys. Boom. Okay, you're on the head. I'm gonna really have to edit a lot of this out. Okay, so let's talk about this little battle that happened in my comment section real quick about me talking. To be honest with you, I don't get paid from YouTube. Like, I don't, you know, I'm not famous. So what makes you think I'm gonna sit here and listen to y'all? Like, you don't pay me. If I want to talk, I'm gonna talk about whatever I want to. Look, like, I enjoy making the videos, and I'm glad that y'all can enjoy watching them, but that doesn't mean you can just blatantly disrespect me. You know what I mean? I'm a person, I have feelings, but that's enough of that. So if you have a opinion about what I should be doing in my videos, go watch someone else. That's about that. Anyway, yeah, let's just drive, you know? That's all I really wanted to do today, was drive. Oh, okay, I'm gonna shut up after this. So, I got a speeding ticket, but I'm on deferred adjudication for it. I'm not gonna say in what county, but it was on the way to Dallas from Houston. And I'm not gonna say how fast, but just know it was too fast to do defensive driving. But I luckily was able to get deferred adjudication. I still have to do defensive driving, actually. But yeah, no more tickets for me. That's really the goal. Anyway, let's just drive. Damn. Y'all hear that? Yeah, it's a shame this thing is slow, because like it sounds great. Speaking of slow and power, I'm really looking to get a well, you know what, let me not even talk about that yet. Just know maybe the RT won't be around, or the RT will be getting something new. We'll see. I want to hear this thing under this. Make sure there's no police. Dirty. And by the way, this is all filmed in Mexico. I'm currently in Mexico City, Mexico. Those of y'all that think you know where I film my videos and comment, I just want to let y'all know that I am not where you think I am. I am actually in Mexico City, Mexico. Yeah, so I'm gonna actually make sure to put that disclaimer in front of the video. But yeah, I'm on vacation right now in Mexico, so the laws are a little bit different here. With that being said, let's not get in trouble in Mexico, because that might suck. What do y'all say we hit a little skirt on them? Shred them. Anyway, that's only acting up will do. Let's not make anyone mad by talking. I really hope this camera hasn't moved, because like what I saw was a really good view. A lot of times I'd be messing up these POV drives and y'all are looking at the roof or something, and I apologize, I really do. Honestly, this video probably won't be crazy long, but I'm trying, and y'all should be happy about that. And if I don't get any views because I haven't uploaded in a long time, I understand. And if y'all unsubscribe or whatever, I understand. I'm inconsistent, I suck, all that. It's cool, you know? Cut up one more time. Woo! Damn, bruh. At this light, I'm gonna make sure y'all are facing the right way, and we'll be back at a cooler location. Because with the Sin, sometimes the camera gets thrown back and y'all just end up looking at the roof. That would really suck if I filmed and just had to delete it all. So hold on. Just kidding. Just kidding. Still in the perfect place. This thing is a boat, but once you learn the weight of it and how to maneuver it, it can still be fun. I'm not saying it's gonna handle, you know, like a Mustang or anything like that, or even begin to perform near there, but it's not horrible. And definitely for the space, very well worth it. That's my favorite thing about the car, is how spacious it is. If you're looking to get a Charger, I would definitely recommend it, honestly. stop up here. I really should not be slapping that. That was 3 seconds though. No matter how noisy I am, that was 3 seconds. And a complete stop. But I'm really cutting up in Mexico City. And here in Mexico City, they upped the law enforcement. So it's not the best idea to be cutting up in Mexico City. But you know what I mean? At least my homeland in the United States, you know, I'm not breaking any laws. That's important. Let's go right, bro. Cut it right. You know what? Let's do a little bit of some highway driving. Why not? What's the date? It's the 20th and it's 2:28 p.m. I'ma have this out on the 20th by 5 p.m. Watch me. Maybe I'm capping, maybe I'm not. Who knows? You know what? Y'all want me to go on a little rant real quick? Yes, you do. Thank you. So, I'm going to tell you about my experience with the law and how I feel about it. As of right now, I feel as if the law, the courts, they just want money. They don't care about teaching you a lesson. They don't care about you learning your lesson. In fact, I feel like they hope you're a repeat offender. But with that being said, I did make a mistake and I own up to that. I was definitely going above the speed limit. But at the same time, like, all they wanted was my money. Like, they didn't care about anything else. They were doing their best to upcharge me and pretty much charge me the most while still keeping it off my driving record just to please my lawyer so I didn't fight it. That's all the prosecutor wanted. And to me, that's a little bit messed up because there's people who can't afford that kind of thing. And like, I'm not gonna say how much my ticket was, but I will say that while at the courthouse, I paid $4.49 in cash, and overall, this ticket has costed me over $1,100. And that's inexcusable. Like, to me, there's people out there who make honest mistakes and have to fork out that kind of money who can't afford it. And to me, I don't know. That's not right. But that's my little rant. Remember how I said I was going to take it on the highway? I lied. The highways here are really trash. I gave y'all's little ASMR and shut up or whatever. I'm going to talk now. I'm going to talk. In fact, I think the POV drive is just about over. This is going to be a quick little, I'm back, what's up, video. But I am about to do this little outro, and then the video's over. I hope y'all were able to just quickly stop by and watch it and enjoy it, whatever y'all are doing throughout y'all's day. This is just a reminder, you know, to stay positive, happy, and always look out for yourself. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this stupid camera off my head, and I'm gonna do an outro, and then I'm gonna proceed to go up to my room. Well, I'm gonna get some coffee, and then I'm gonna start editing very lazily and sloppily. Those probably weren't words, but very lazily I'm gonna edit like I always do. And then, yeah, y'all are just gonna be little content goblins and suck it up. Suck up the content. Anyway, hold on. Okay, anyway, that's gonna conclude the video, the POV drive segment. If that's all you wanted to watch, thank you for watching. You could exit the video. If you care anything about me and the person behind the camera, I'm gonna just talk real quick. Over the last few months, you know, a lot has happened, and like I've definitely grown a lot as a person. I'm not gonna get into what has happened, but a lot has happened, and I'd say I came out a happier person. And yeah, I hope y'all see that in the camera, that I am happier, and I'm a lot more comfortable in my own skin and being myself. So like if you guys just think I'm being weird, like that's fine. But I'm just happy being myself, and I'm no longer gonna hide that on camera, on social media, in person. That it just goes for anywhere and with anybody in my life. You know, I'm just gonna be 100% me and happy. And I just wanted to kind of end this video on a positive note and tell y'all that you should do the same. And you know, it sounds pretty cliche to just say be yourself and be happy, but it works. And that's the thing I feel has improved my life the most. So anyway, with that being said, now I'm gonna actually conclude the video. I don't have an upload schedule. I don't think I ever will, because, you know, unless I start getting paid off YouTube, then I'll start taking it serious. But right now I'm just kind of uploading for fun, for funsies. So with that being said, enjoy the rest of your day, night, whatever you got going on. Don't forget to like the video. Yeah, self-promotion, duh. Like the video, subscribe, comment, and do all that good stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna probably have to interject myself in the beginning of the video to like remind. Fuck that. You know what? I don't need that. At the end of the video, y'all just like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the video while it's going. Thank you for watching. Bye.